Hi guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the difference between this and that, and also these and those. These and those are just plural of the same thing, this and that. Okay, and as you see here on the picture, you can see that this has something to do with distance. So if you hold something close to you, like you hold it or you have it just around you would use this word, this. But if you're pointing, for example, at something else, you're talking about something that's a bit away from you, you will say that. For example, that lamp. Also here, you see in the picture, this apple when it's close, and that apple when there's a bit of distance. You also see it also here, it's when it's close to you, and there is when it's a bit far away. Here's when it's one, and when there are two, we say these. That's still when something is close to you, but there are plural, like there are more of these cherries. And if the cherries are far away from you, you would say those when you're talking about many. And then there are some rules that we have to remember. That is, we can use this and these to talk about objects near us, like they're close to you, and we can use that and those to talk about objects that are far away. For example, this is my friend Liz, and that is my friend Daniel playing in the garden. These are my friends Liz and Sarah, then they are very close to you, and maybe they are a bit far away, then you would say those are my friends Daniel and Nick playing in the garden. And then you can see some rules here, you can see for yourself. Okay, now we're going to do an activity. You are going to find a few things from your backpack, and then you're going to put them on your desk. And then with your neighbor, you're going to present 3 things that you have on your desk. And then you're going to present 3 things in the classroom or something that's outside of the window so that you have to point at it and say, for example, that is the clock we have in the classroom, for example. Okay, then remember to use the right form of this and that and these and those if you're talking about plural, many things. So keep this in mind and look at this table when you are talking. That will help you. All right, good luck.